My daughter was born with a disability. She was born with spina bifida, and the physicians missed it on the films, and the radiologist missed it, and there was a lot of tests that were done, and it wasn't caught.
Anna came to me, and she came to Julie Wilson, who's been my assistant for 20 years in these kind of cases, and she told us her story, and we've heard the story before. We know it's wrong, and we spent a lot of time to prove in 2 trials for her that it was wrong, that her obstetricians and the radiologists involved really didn't do what they were supposed to for her.
Dennis has a great attitude. Even when I was feeling most stressed out, Dennis was always there, you know, to put an arm around my shoulder, literally and figuratively. He's a really, really sensitive, empathetic person, and I've never one time felt like he was working for me. I always felt like we were working together. Well, I am a pediatric registered nurse. I've been so for the past 10 years, and I do have a lot of medical background, and you know, even with all that medical background, Dennis was still more knowledgeable than I was, and it was amazing just watching him work. He's a genius. I really think he's a genius.
I was an English professor. I have a real interest in drama, and there's a drama and there's a thrill in a trial when you're just looking at 8 average people who came off the street, who are doing their best to understand what went wrong, and you can see they get it.
Dennis and his team did help us secure our daughter's future, because without him, you know, Haley would not probably have any type of future or any type of monetary savings or investments for her future, for wheelchairs or vehicles or any type